Hello, one and all present here. This is Amit Kumar Singh, and welcome BCA students who are preparing for their first semester exam for the subject discrete mathematics. So, guys, I believe you have gone through all my previous videos on logarithm, where theoretically I have discussed lot of questions on logarithm, and by this time, I believe you are thorough with your preparation. So the purpose of this class is to discuss a previous year a Bangalore University question and where through which we'll try to discuss probably the kind of questions which always comes in your exam. So guys, I believe you can see on your screen and you can see that this question which came for 5 marks, this question came two times. This question came in December 2019 also, and this came in 2017 also. So with this you can understand the importance of this question. So we'll do this question. Before, I really request that if you have not gone through all my previous videos on logarithm, so I really request everyone that first you go and solve all the questions, practice questions from my previous videos, make yourself very comfortable with this topic, and then come and watch this video. Okay, so if you are very confident on this topic, logarithm, so let's start this class. So this question is probably a easy question where the data is given like this is given that this log of this is log of a plus b by 3 is equal to 1 by 2 log a plus log b. So this information is given to you, and based on this information I need to prove that a square plus b square is equal to 7ab. So this question came two times in the exam, and this was a 5 marks question, very easy question. So let's do this problem. So if I do this problem, so log of a plus b by 3, log of a plus b by 3, okay, if that is equal to half of log a plus log b, that is equal to half of log a plus log b. Okay. So what I can do, so you can see here 1 by 2 in RHS side, you can see 1 by 2. So if I bring that in left hand side, then it become 2. So this will, if 1 by 2 will come this side, this will be 2 into log of a plus b by 3, and that is equal to log a plus log b. Okay, everyone. So everyone knows the property of log. Then point to remember in log when we are working on logarithm. So what are the point you need to remember? Okay, so you know the properties on logarithm. So you know that log of a to the power x is equal to x log a. Okay, so x log a I can write as log a to the power x. So I can write this as log of a plus b by 3 whole square. Okay, and then you know the next thing, log ab is equal to log a plus log b. So if log a plus log b is given, that means that is equal to log ab. So that is equal to log ab. Fine. So if you multiply anti-log both sides, so I can say that a plus b by 3 whole square is equal to ab. Okay, so if I square a plus b by 3 whole square, if I do that, then I'll get a plus b whole square is equal to a into b. So I can say this is a square plus b square plus 2ab by 9 is equal to a into b. So I can say this is equal to a square plus b square plus 2ab is equal to 9ab. So I can say this is equal to a square plus b square is equal to 7ab. I think this is what we had to prove in this question. So based on that data, we have to prove that that should be equal to a square plus b square is equal to 7ab. This is what we had to prove, and we had proof here. So guys, I believe you have understood this, and it was very easy to be done. So if you have gone through all my previous videos, so then I believe doing this won't be a much difficult task for you. So guys, please subscribe to my channel if you have not subscribed, and please hit on the like button if you have liked this class. So guys, it's time to wind up the class. So thank you everyone and best of luck for your exam.